God damn it. Zoom out, motherfucker. There we go over here. There. Perfecto. Perfection. So we are not capturing this audio. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I actually might, let's see. This is attempt 2, so it's not what we want, but for right now, we're gonna try and run main. This should definitely show up. Okay, it does. But one moment.
No more.
Okay, it shows up. All right, cool.
Yeah, I picked on my cup.
Okay. All right, so that still works. That's good.
On my cup. I paid for
Okay, I will be right back. My daughter wants some water. Why are you blocking me from the room if you're asking me?
I door.
Your door now?
Yep.
Okay.
And we also had water.
Yeah, the door wants water.
Look at that.
And we're back. All right, cool. So we are in attempt 3 right now, and we are just going to, oh shit. You know what? I need to grab the whole response here. You're not going to see some of the stuff I'm doing because I have my ChatGPT up in another window. It's just not enough room on the stream side of things, and I'm sure there's ways I could set up some like scenes. Oh yeah, it's right there, scenes. All right, cool. I'll probably fiddle with that later. To have like preset window groupings and shite. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm getting this whole thing, and we're gonna take it. Particles will raise the field text size when crisper flow detail at a small cost. Small cost? I don't think sorry. I'm already calling bullshit on some of the things that it said. All right, so we're gonna make attempt 4, and then this is gonna be. Okay. So I need that folder made. So that's A2 current engine state, and then that's attempt 3 test and engine state. Test engine state. Fucking Christ. B. MD here. Bazinga. Okay. So that is all saved. Nice. So I don't really need to pull from the. Oh, let's undo that, please. Thank you. Oh my God. Undo this. Undo this. Okay, redo. My computer's like, well, once you make up your fucking mind, dude. Okay. Now we're gonna pull them all straight from the horse's mouth over here. All right, back to the main file. Here we go. this, copied, paste, save. Yep, 600 lines. That's gone up by about 100 lines since last time. A lot more shit getting juggled around. Settings, stop high. Settings, stop high. 104 lines. That can't be right. Maybe it is. Actually, I don't remember looking at the settings length before. There's less comments in here. All right, I'm just gonna look through this really quick. Okay, window width, window height, clear color. That's just black. Interesting. I don't know why we have a clear color variable, but okay. Resize, debound seconds. I don't care about these. Camera zoom. Okay, that makes sense. Size, compensate. Scale points with zoom. 1, keep absolute size. Oh. Okay, I don't know why we don't just have it at a 1, considering how very clearly I specified that I wanted absolute size. But okay, we'll see how that actually works out. All right, it added 50,000 particles for no apparent reason. That's cool. Substeps, it left at 8. That's cool. Speed, reset threshold, left that there. Reset time. Second time threshold before we respawn. Okay. Fade in, fade out rate, it moved these together. I don't think these were together before. Spawn pattern. Circle. Nothing interesting here. Base point size, note size high, note size low, color saturation, color value. Edge soft, base and edge soft scale, these are new. Color mode, these are new. I don't know what octave bands are, that sounds interesting. Palette index, so see the shader. Which shader? Probably vertex, I guess. Okay. Field text size, field index, field set. Oh yeah, fine. Field base strength. Okay, field audio strength, field note weight, and field octave weight. It doesn't, from the comments here, it doesn't look like it actually fixed something that I mentioned, which is that I want the vector field to have like a constant like strength sort of that's influenced by like the beat and stuff, or just by beat actually. And then the notes will react to that the vector field proportional to how activated they are. So the more activated they are, the more strongly they react to the vector field impulses. And I doubt, because it didn't put any comments here, I doubt that it actually did that here. But we'll see. That would be really, really cool. We added a freeze effect, hopefully, where when note energy goes above, for a particular note, goes above a certain amount, those particles associated with that note, this is probably going to have to change. The particles associated with that note should freeze in place and get brighter and slower. Okay, yes, this is just the damping. Okay. Audio pre-processing, noise threshold, energy compression. I haven't messed with any of this yet. Beat, history sets is all the same. Audio sample rate, block size. Yep, render mode. What is this? Interesting. Accumulation, decay. Accumulation. I'm gonna have to ask what the hell this is, or actually, I'll probably figure it out. Oh, whacking the microphone. Okay. So nothing super interesting here. So now we go to audio. No, the settings. Let's go to audio. Okay. There's audio. Not gonna look through that just yet until I want to like do some in-depth tweaking, tinkering, shaders. I mean, as long as it works, obviously. I mean, yeah, if it doesn't work, I'm not going to look at it at all. I will just probably, unless the errors are small, I'll just regenerate until I get something that works, and then I'll work from that. Oh, we put lerp in here. Oh, we're lerping. We're lerping with it. Whoops. That makes me excited. Whoops. Did I do a thing? All right, cool. LIRP stands for linear interpolation, by the way. Anyone who's watching this probably already knows it, though, except for the 2 people that would be watching it because I mentioned my stream to them recently. That would be my mother and my friend. What is this one? The render utils. Oh, we actually have render utils now. Interesting. Okay. Oh, God, you know what? I bet my fucking... Oh, Jesus. I bet my indentation woes were because of pasting everything in NeoVim and my stupid auto formatter fucking it up. I have to turn off autosave. No. Turn off format on save. Huh. All right, whatever. We will figure it out if we need to figure it out. Just ensure accumulation target for size. I really want to know what that is, because I don't remember saying anything about an accumulation mode. So I don't know. It sounds pretty interesting. Probably going to be like whack as fuck, but debug console UI. Paste. Okay. I swear to God. Oh, okay. It actually, it's separated out those 4 import statements, like the, OS, JSON, ARI, and glob into 4 different, like full import statements. That is really funny. That's some opinionated, fucking formatting right there. Add, nice. Self.add. Self.build registry. Okay, so it looks like the debug menu might actually be the star this time. I'm going to spend most of my time. Did I do it, though? But did I do it, though? Debug console UI. I think so. Let's just do it again, just in case. Okay, yeah. And then we're going to go... Yeah, don't ask me to remember what I did 5 minutes ago, please. Now we're going to the shaders. We're into particle update. Just paste it in. Whoops. Save that shit. And then we're going to, that seems a little short, but okay. Go into particle render, .vert. Pasting it in. Come back over here, go into particle render.frag. And why? Oh shit, buddy! You better not. I'm gonna actually have a fucking conniption. I'm gonna have a fucking conniption. Right? RGB vector field image unit 0. I'm gonna try to skip this. I'm gonna try skipping this. Oh my fucking God. And maybe I will, if it doesn't work, I will grab that, back up my list of painstakingly generated vector fields. That's like 50 fucking topologically unique vector fields. And hopefully I will be able to use those without having to do another generation before I even get anything working. I am fucking livid right now. I forgot to fucking specify that. It's like a genie in a fucking bottle, except the genie has no fucking like brain of its own, and you have to tell it everything that it's doing. I'm sorry if you're watching this in the future, ChatGPT 5000, but holy shit. Oh shit. Select a stream. I believe I am streaming, actually. There we go. This one. The stream what? The stream what? The bitrate? You bitching about the bitrate? Yeah. 1,350 kilobytes per second? Oh my God, I am... That is very low bitrate. My shit probably looks like ass right now. Let's just go check on that. I can't believe Destiny's still going to campuses after what happened to Kirk. I just can't believe it. legit, like, he's about as divisive a left-leaning figure as Kirk was a divisive right-leaning figure. Why does it matter? Who cares? I'm seeing my shit fine. You can even see my fucking, like, cool pens. Coolest pens you've ever seen. Bitch. You even almost read the fucking text on that shit. Whatever, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay. I'm definitely gonna whack this fucking thing with my hands without thinking about it. Alright, let's mute and pause. Pause, very homo. Sorry about that. I couldn't help myself. Okay, so we're gonna have an accumulation delay.jlsl, I guess now. Did we get the full screen triangle advert? Oh, that must be the texture mode. Okay. Okay. I'm okay, sorry. I'm freaking out again about the vector field. JLSL. A come. So, and then let's see what else we gotta make. We gotta make full screen triangle.vert. And then we need to make compose.frag. Compose.frag. Do we have the other frag anymore? Or is it just called compose.frag? It's just called compose.frag? Okay. So I'll just make a new one, I guess. Compose.frag. And first we'll go to, not that. We'll go to accumulation delay, or decay rather. Yeah, I know GLSLS is a piece of crap, and I can't figure out how to get it to work. Whatever. Should. Full screen triangle. Why is that giving me an error? I don't know why I'm getting an error there. Is there errors on these other ones too? I did the same fucking one. Let's just get compose frag first, real quick. Get it, paste it, got it, good. Okay, cool. All right, so that's all pasted in. Let's go into PyCharm, close attempt 2, got attempt 3 open. Let's open up main, analyze that shit. That is taking a hot minute. 20, wow. Only weak warnings. Jesus. Okay, let's try running it, see where the issues lie. Okay, shader compile failure. Unexpected end of file. Okay. Okay, here. Oh, so I guess maybe I'll just copy the code into here because I'm pretty sure it's the same shit as before. Or here's what I'll do. I'll go back to attempt 2. I will get the particle render.frag. I will copy all that shit over here and then put it in here. And I'll try running it again. If that doesn't work, then I'll use the compose one. Oh, okay. I don't know what's happening here. Got some cool shit happening for sure. Well, I don't think this is worth showing. Let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and I think we're gonna want to switch ourselves over. No, oh my God, I keep forgetting. Over and over again. In here, bring up PyCharm. Back in here, wait. Holy shit. Okay. F1. 6, go. Okay. Interesting. Ooh. No. Okay. Maybe it's just a field issue. This is like so incredibly fucked up. Okay. Yeah. It's like okay, so I guess what we're gonna do now, instead of assuming the worst, we're first gonna give it a try by coming out here, going to our vector field.frag, copying it, renaming this one as backup full list. All right, and then okay, and then we got this vector field JLSL, and we're gonna grab this fucking, oh Jesus, I knew that was gonna happen. Particle render.vert is up here. So fucking irritating. Particle update. Wait. Jesus H fucking creamy cricket Christ. Vector field.jlcell. Incredibly irritating. "94 lines. 484 originally. Okay. We have vector field.jlsl. Now we'll go try it again. Is this from, wait. Attempt 3, okay. And then we've got, yeah, this tiny little fucking thing. All right, is it done checking yet? Okay. Try it again. Okay, well, we are already... Woo! We're already doing a little bit better. What are we using by default? Because that was pretty... Okay, so we're already doing way fucking better than we were before. Let's go ahead and do this, get the right. Okay, so... All right, we're gonna... I'm still not super convinced that we have note detection here. Very cool here, but ultimately, okay. Yeah, very interesting patterns here. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Okay. Woo! Let's see if I can switch to system here. And we're gonna do next. Okay, so now we're picking up audio from the microphone array. Oh, just punching the fucking microphone over and over again. So fucking irritating. All right, audio device default. And freezes and cruises. I just, it's so fucking irritating. There we go. Is this an attempt 2? Let's get this the fuck out of here before I get confused. So... Okay. All right, so yeah, it was still expecting the particle render.frag. So I guess I did the right thing there, and it does actually want the post.frag too. Okay, cool. Okay, so energy compression. Let's turn this down to like 1, and then 1. And we're gonna try running it again. Okay, so I don't like it. Like it acts so weird. Oh, I forgot. I can't. I guess I should probably add this, huh? This one is gonna be. There we go. And then oh, it's fine, I guess. It's just gonna be taking up only part of the fucking viewing window here. There we go. Okie dokie. Oh, I have a viewer? Is that me? Hello, potential viewer. Come to the stream if you're not just me showing up as a viewer. Okay, so now we gotta change this over to the fucking. Do we do that? No. 6. Okay. Now we're actually reacting to, and I'm gonna turn off my. Or I guess I'll reset up my camera here. Like my low-tech setup over here. Let's actually just stop that for a minute. Because I had to replace my entire list of topologically unique vector fields with some bullshit file that it did. Otherwise, everything that I did was like messed up. And I am currently working out the audio reactivity, like note detection part of it. Trying to see how much actually works. So I have something new to try here, and that is F10. Okay. Just got debug here. Camera zoom. Oh god, it just reprints the whole goddamn thing every time. That's so lame. Zoom anchor follow. How do I, wait a second. Debug menu. This is coding with AI, people. Person, I guess. Except, do I actually have it open? I don't know. We are looking for the debug console UI. Okay, so does this just do, okay, section names. How do I save preset low set? Okay, use this to switch sections. Okay, cool. So I can switch to, all right, so we have global damping. So this is for simulation settings, number of particles, reset time. Oh, nice. I'm gonna make this a little bigger down here so that it can be read. I'm gonna need to look at the code right now anyway. Okay. So, and then edit. Wow, okay, so that does work. So I'm gonna bring the damping here down. Okay, so they're fading out a lot quicker. I don't really like the spawn, where they're spawning by default here. Are they even? Oh, okay. Okay, well I have to like respawn them manually. That's really irritating. And then this is octave rings. Okay, that's cool. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go with octave rings. That's actually probably what it was on before. Let's do this circle. For octave damping, so for 0. So okay, so the red is the 0. That's why I did that. It moved down by. Wait. Okay, it moved down by by a full 1/10 of a point, and now it's going by hundredths of a point. Got it, baby. Okay. Oh, I will be right back. So, okay, yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so it just needed a chance to load. Oops. There we go. So, octave damping. And I think we should differentiate these a little bit. Do like, see, it starts off by going down by a 1/10, then you have to like, it switches precision. It's really weird. Let's just do this. Yeah, the first decrease is always by a 1/10. That is really irritating. I need to make it like clear the yeah, just clear and reprint rather than like in place rather than like printing underneath what was already here, because it's really difficult to look at. Not gonna lie. Okay, so it's already looking a little bit cooler because the octaves are all reacting differently anyway. Okay, so spawning them like that, that's interesting. How do I exit? Oh no, is there a way to exit it? Okay, inspector closed, cool. And now I can switch to different vector fields, do different shit. So it's still mostly just beat reactive. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the inspector back up. Oh, it literally saves my position. That's really cool. Speed reset threshold. Maybe this. Oh no! Okay, so really, fade in, fade out rate. Now we want to go back over here. Okay. All right, so having the fade out rate down lower, kind of, so maybe I should have them both lower. Dun 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 dun. See, it's pissing me off that it's not actually audio reactive right now. I'm thinking 2 is actually my favorite. Yeah, because it really kind of, gets into some more interesting visuals almost right away. So spawn patterns. Ooh, interesting. Octave weights. Okay. And I think these should match. Oh, Jesus Christ. They should match the others, at least for now. It's going to be a pain in the ass to change. Well, actually, not that bad. Oops. Oops. Oh, way too much. Okay. So, what about now? Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Boo! Boo! So it's still mostly just beat reactive. I'm not getting vector field, note threshold, note weight, octave weight. So I would assume this would be okay. Dun, 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 dun. No, it's not doing it. It's just not. Okay. Well, do global damping. All right, cool. Let's bring global damping like way up. All right. Okay, so obviously a little more interesting here, but still not. Freeze note threshold. Okay. It's just so hard. Yeah, it's hard to tell. It's just really hard to tell right now. Color mode 1. Okay. Well, that's really interesting, though. Okay, I don't know what color mode 2 is supposed to do. Color mode 0. Respawn them all. Palette index 1. So we got lots of color options now, huh? Okay, nice. Cool, cool, cool. Color saturation, color value. Interesting. And now we wrap back around to audio. FFT size, energy compression, noise threshold. Huh. Okay. Beat history size, beat threshold, beat decay time, beat impact strength. We're bringing the beat impact strength down, down, down. Let's do 1.0. All right. Cool. I mean, probably better. Really, the issue now is render mode. This can't be real, right? No, that doesn't do shit. Okay, that's what I thought. Action save preset, sure. Is really, okay, so I think I need to go and beat threshold. Okay. Okay. Okay, so, yep, now we got nothing. Okay, there. Weird. This is very weird. I'm gonna say this is probably a failure. I'm just gonna regenerate the whole thing. But I'm gonna add a little bit of feedback for what happened that time. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Here we go. And then we're just gonna come over here and we're gonna do it here. Oh, this is GLSL, isn't it? All right. This. We're gonna go to. I think I compiled everything into the prompt, so I think I still need to save the prompt for this. A3 prompt.md. And then we'll just save the whole fucking thing in here. I think that might just be the feedback list, honestly. What the fuck was that? Did I not copy this? Copy. Paste. What the fuck? Copy. I should not have to do this. Whoops. I should not have to do this? No. This? Wait, okay. Huh. Is it really this? It is. All right, sorry. I forgot how to use this fucking text editor for a second, for something pretty important. Okay, so I want to put this here. Okay, so issues. post attempting. We're gonna do we're gonna do like this, and then it's gonna be message from the future. Oh, from an alternate future. Okay, I can't fucking spell today. Post attempting the above prompt. We're gonna do. We go here. I say just a second to anyone watching, so I can make sure these worked. They did not. Fucking auto formatter. Okay. Okay, now it worked. Okay, so okay. Model issue 1, the vector field.glsl file. I don't know why I used, okay, wait. Space SR, this for this. Okay. Sorry, it helps me to remember shit if I say the key bindings out loud when I'm doing them. Okay, let's do this. Let's do it. Was rewritten despite nothing being known about its contents or what exactly it output. Engine issue 1 and Accum mode was added that seemed non-functional. Two. Oh. Note detection. Energy detection was still not noticeable, despite me warbling into mic at various pitches. Oh, shit. Forgot I even had that fucking open still. State-based debug menu issue 1. Think of the below as mistakes to potential pitfalls to avoid. Carelessly rip. That's wrong. Yeah. It needs a fucking another E. Okay. Each time the menu updates, it simply appends to the console instead of the, wait, whoops. Issue 1, and do past issue. Past issue 1, past issue 1, past, because it doesn't describe anything I want the model to do now, so let's be okay, let's be specific. Visually very disorienting and hard to use. State-based debug menu past issue 2. What was I going to say? Oh, yeah. When adjusting the value of floating point numbers, there was no way to adjust the intervals being used per adjustment. Instead, strange behavior was observed of an initial flat plus minus 1.0. On adjusting down, reducing on first reduction. Followed by adjustments. Okay. My current vector field file will be included with this prompt along with the A2 current state.md and all in cool. We're actually gonna skip over here, so don't forget about this. We're gonna find the space, replace it with an underscore, go back to the beginning. We're gonna surround all till the end of the first one, so the A, because we don't use numbers here. And then we're gonna, oh shit, actually I'm gonna go to the end of it again. A, and this is gonna be .glsl. And then we're gonna, since I fucked up the line widths or line lengths here, we're gonna fix that. System info.md. Okay, cool. Seems non-functional. It is possible that it worked, but that's note detection file. And relied. Oh, that's right already. On note detection that may or may not be completely wrong or be and also may be fed improperly processed audio that strips doesn't result in meaningful note. Getting note detection working is a very high priority. Okay. Okay. Priority. Okay. Oh shit, man, I gotta like, I'm just gonna put H, and then I, GQ. Let's get that shit fixed. Okay. Popsicle time. I think I agree this time. It's definitely popsicle time. It is popsicle time for winter. Damn. A little firecracker when that thing was up. Oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? So fucking brave. All right. Let's see. has still no way to find valid system output. Only found devices that offered input. Weird. I think I'm actually going to put this at the top. Because I think if I put it at the bottom right here, it's just going to it's going to focus too much on these items, and then it'll just be lacking in other areas. So we're going to do this, and then this. That's not helpful. There we go. Okay, and then there's that, and then let's just prompt there. Nerd. Should be the case that only activated nodes should be only move via two types of input. Oh, three types of input. Three types of input. One. Okay. One. Okay. One is I guess technically four then. One, and this is going to be base vector field strength should be effectively 0. Beat boosted vector field, base vector field impulse. And scaled beat boosted vector field impulse note boosted note boosted impulse for particle of momentum. Okay. And applied to every particle. Should be proportional to the beat energy detected and applied mostly to particles within some range some frequency range of the most dominant pitch associated with the current beat. Per note boost. Okay. Most strongly to particle and more weakly to particles further from that pitch. Particles associated with notes that are within some frequency range of that most dominant response. More weakly to particle further from that. Further from that. Okay. And then per note boosted vector field impulse. Alright. be the main method of generating movement. With beat related impulses having quicker onset and decaying quickly. Note energies must be used to decide how strongly each group of particles reacts to the audio being sampled for that frame. In effect, notes far away from the dominant pitch of any beat impulses and that are not being activated over activation threshold over a reasonable activation threshold should only be affected by their own momentum and the vanishingly small impulse of the base vector base. Vecton. In practice, this would mean that beat impulse, beat energies derived from bass, from drums, bass guitars, and other low pitches should mostly affect the lower octaves closer to their pitch, while kick, drums, toms, drops. And triangle hits and snare, snares, and cymbals would affect the higher pitched notes. C and A. What the fuck? Okay, so I think we're definitely getting somewhere here. So I think what we're gonna have to do is this is gonna have to go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, here, and then oh, cool. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure GQ. Interesting. Oh, what is it? Nothing important? I wanna see what it is though. Whatever. Oh, never mind, I know what it is. Oh, never mind, no I don't. Okay, I guess I don't. Okay. Useless. I think my issue here, actually, I don't know why this is not working now, now that I think about it. This, and I'm gonna go here. There. And now, it won't get reorganized. Right. Right. GQ. Okay. Awesome. That's actually awesome. All right, cool. We're just gonna get rid of that. And we're gonna get rid of that. I do these into every particle equally, but again, next to nothing for strength. It's okay. Well, my computer's like melting, so I'm gonna stop streaming for now. No one's watching anyway. I got 4 though. Woo! See you guys next time. Or not. Probably.